If the worst day of your life happens to be a survival situation, then you better be stocked with the best gear available. It's easy to forget that we depend upon a continuous supply of goods, services, and energy that could all be gone in a second due to a natural disaster, war, or terrorist attack. When it comes to preparedness and surviving any disaster that might come your way, there is no shortage of survival tools, supplies, and prepping gear you can buy. But finding the best survival gear is not an easy task, which makes upgrading your equipment a real challenge. We've rounded up some of the best survival gear and tools you can easily stash in your day pack or include in your survival kit. So check out our recommendations for the best emergency equipment and arm yourself with survival gear that can help you stand up to even the most disastrous situations.
The Emerson Battle Axe offers a modern update to the classic battle axe, with a proven design that was established well over 1,000 years ago. It has been upgraded and redesigned with an ergonomic G10 handle, but the axe itself is a near copy from one of Emerson's personal collection Viking battle axes. It offers enough heft to get the job done, while remaining nimble and versatile in hand. I found that the battle axe is easy to control when chopping due to its short length and comfortable handle. Its intended uses includes trimming limbs, or small trees such as for clearing a campsite, chopping split wood into small strips for campfire kindling, or wood stove use. It is not a heavy-duty weighted axe for chopping camp wood or falling trees. So far, the Battle Axe seems like a capable tactical and outdoor tool. If you're looking for a new axe to add to your gear collection, this one is worth taking a closer look at. When it comes to survival kits, I have to say the Atomic Bear Survival Kit is one of the best organized kits that I have come across. There are a plethora of similar products on Amazon and many are not organized. It's more of jam as many products that can fit into a case. Inside this survival kit, you get a tactical knife, tactical pen, tactical flashlight, adjustable paracord survival bracelet, large fire starter, strong saw wire, 15-in-1 tool card and an emergency blanket. If anything, each of the items that are featured are very useful. They all work, and the biggest selling point is the organization of this survival kit. Overall, the Atomic Bear Survival Kit is a solid survival kit, but expect to pay more than other survival kits on Amazon. Leatherman products continue to be innovative and always maintain the high level of quality we have come to expect from the company, and the Surge is no exception. The Leatherman Surge is slightly larger than the standard multi-tools that we're used to, but it's also significantly sturdier in design. With that additional mass and bulk, you get excellent functions and tools that work very well in action. When it comes to the tools on the Surge, the fact that you don't need to fold one tool in to get access to the other tools is a huge plus in our book. Like all the other full-sized multi-tools created by Leatherman, the Surge has also been built to withstand a high level of abuse. The pliers are super robust and sturdy. The scissors are larger even than those on a full-size Swiss Army knife. Overall, the Leatherman Surge would be a useful addition to your collection of tools. It is a great multi-tool for having around the house, keeping in your pocket on the job, bringing with you on a camping trip, or just having at the bottom of your everyday carry bag.
Today at CRKT, we're showing you the Trencher Tactical Spade. This is a monster tool with a lot of options for getting heavy-duty work done. The 3-position shovel head features an aggressive sharp saw on one side and a beveled edge for cutting and chopping on the other. The steel tip on the shovel plate is reinforced and designed to pry with. It adds a layer of strength to the tip while digging, so if you hit some gravel and rocks and stuff, this tip can take it all. The Trencher's ergonomic handle is made of tough polypropylene and steel, and the deep ridges offer a solid grip for every scenario you may encounter and all weather conditions. The tool has a threaded locking collar to secure the shovel into position. Here's how that works. This is where you tighten or loosen the collar, and you can set the spade head at a 90-degree angle, and you can see that this collar locks the plate securely in place. Now you can also close the Trencher spade head and slide it into the nylon sheath that snaps easily over the blade and protects the tool for travel. This tool was designed for compact utility, and the Trencher fulfills upon this promise in a very aggressive package. At 3 pounds and 6 ounces and as tough as nails, the Trencher is ready for duty.
The collapsible canteens are a durable and lightweight water container to carry water when out on the trail or to keep in your survival kits in case of an emergency. Fill up one of the canteens from a fresh water source. You can also attach it to a portable water filter to help you get clean water on the go. You can also fill up a canteen with clean tap water and use it as your everyday water bottle. Clip the carabiner to your backpack for quick and easy access. The collapsible canteens can be rolled up and fastened with the included carabiner when not in use. Each order comes with 2 canteens, one with a red carabiner and one with a blue. This can help distinguish dirty water from clean water. The canteens also come with a push-pull cap to protect the mouthpiece from dirt and damage. The caps come attached securely to the canteens. They are also reusable and are able to hold up to 33 ounces of water.
The BFM and Motherload are 2 of the largest packs in the Camelback Maximum Gear line. Both packs have large cargo capacities and detailed gear organization, making them perfect for long missions. They both include the 100-ounce, 3-liter mil-spec antidote reservoir with quick link exit port and hydrolock bite valve for faster refilling and accessory modification. The front of each pack features low-profile laser-cut composite MOLLE for secure attachment of extra gear and pouches. Both packs are constructed using a 500D ripstop Cordura, which is lightweight and doesn't compromise strength or durability. Each pack has a front organization pocket for smaller items, zippered mesh pockets for added organization, and a separate goggle pocket. The oversized goggle pocket is located at the top of the pack and has external access, making it easy to quickly obtain or replace glasses, goggles, or NVGs. Both packs have quick-release buckles on the shoulder harnesses that make removing the pack in critical situations fast and simple. They also include multiple internal lash points, dual antenna ports, multiple points of compression, and adjustable sternum straps. The BFM, the larger of the 2, features a padded load-bearing waist belt and additional side pockets for extra cargo. while the Motherload features a stowable, load-bearing waist belt with lumbar adjustment. The BFM also has a full clamshell opening to the main cargo compartment, which allows quick access to all cargo from top to bottom. Both packs come in black, coyote, and multicam and are backed by the Camelback Got Your Back lifetime guarantee. If we build it,